In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to choose the right Clickbank product to promote. And the reason we want to choose the right Clickbank product is because when we connect that with the right traffic source and get quality traffic, our EPC, which is earning per click, can be very, very high, and we can get very good conversions with very minimum traffic, which means you're working smarter and not harder. Okay, so let me show you the product that I recommend you promote because it has a very good high EPC. It's a latest product and it's got a very good high converting sales page. It has the affiliate tools as well, which you can use to promote that product, and you can get very good conversion. So let's dive into this. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is an affiliate network that has thousands of products. They have started to do physical products as well, but main focus is digital products. You can promote their products. Every time you promote a product, you earn commissions for every successful sale, and they will pay you after the 60 days refund period have passed. You don't need to create a website. You don't need to create a blog. You don't need to do anything. You just come into Clickbank. You just choose the product that you want to promote. You get your affiliate link, drive some quality traffic to that affiliate link, and every time someone purchases that product through your affiliate link, you're going to generate sales. That's how simple it is. Okay. I am into Clickbank marketplace with different categories. As you can see here, you can promote any products you want from here. You could also go to all, and it will open up with categories and subcategories. Now, if you're passionate about a certain niche, I highly recommend you stick to that one and promote those products, because most likely you're not going to give up. But most people will promote products related to e-business, e-marketing, and health and fitness. And the reason is because there's a hungry market out there. Everyone wants to learn how to create a successful business, and nearly everyone is looking for ways to lose weight. Okay, but the problem is there's a lot of competition out there. Everyone is promoting these products, so sometimes it can be a very, very hard task to get conversions and generate sales. I am into e-business, e-marketing, so I'm just going to go for e-business, e-marketing. Okay, and I'm going to give you one of the products that you can promote, which is latest. Okay, so when we go to e-business, e-marketing, let's just go back up. What's going on here? Why is it? Alright, so e-business, e-marketing, go to social media marketing. Alright, let's just scroll down. Okay, and let me show you the product that you want to promote. And here it is. It's called the Instagram Moneymaker with 0 followers. Okay, if you go to the sales page, you could see the sales page. It's a very good high converting sales page. It's a product that's not just a product that's going to teach you how to make money using Instagram with 0 followers. It's a product that's giving you a complete DFY. That means done for you business in a box. That means you get reseller license with this product as well. Okay, which means you're not just buying the product, that actually you're getting the product, and you can also sell the product as your own and earn 100% profit. Now for this, you're getting a done for you sales page, done for you thank you page, done for you members area, done for you lead magnet page, done for you email swipes, and done for you email sequences. On top of that, you're also getting 5 exclusive bonuses with this product. So it's a very, very good product. You're not just getting the product to learn how to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, but actually you're getting a complete business in a box. That's why I recommend promoting this product, because it's a very, very good product. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is you can check the sales page if you want. You could go to the affiliate page as well, and you can promote this product if you want to promote this product. Okay, it has the proven promo angles. It has the short content email swipes. Okay, that you can do. It has the long email swipes as well that you can use to promote this product. If you're looking for media buy, you want to promote this product using media buy, it has banners as well. that you can use to promote this product, as you can see down here. Okay, so just say I wanted to promote this product. Okay, so to promote this product, what would I do? First of all, okay, I will go to the affiliate link and get my affiliate link. Okay, and then I will start to drive traffic to that affiliate link. That's what I'm going to do. All right, now if you're going to promote the direct linking method, which is direct traffic to the affiliate link, it is very important that you shorten the URL on that affiliate link. And the reason you want to do that is because if you don't shorten the URL, the traffic method that I'm about to teach you in this video can suspend your account. Okay, so make sure you shorten the URL. In this video, I'm gonna show you a free traffic method that you can use. I'm gonna come up with some more videos and tutorials teaching you more free traffic methods, so stay tuned for that. We're just gonna talk about one of the free traffic method that is working currently right now. People are using it, and you can be one of those to use that free traffic method. So the free traffic method we are talking about is Facebook, and we're talking about Facebook groups here. As you can see, one person down here, check this out, one person down here in a group has posted this just 14 hours ago. Okay, look what he writes down here. This is exactly what we are going to do, and this works. Okay, I've done it myself. I've generated I've generated sales. This works, and this is a free traffic method I am teaching you. Okay, in one of my previous videos I have already explained how to join these groups and how to interact with these groups, and the rule of thumb that you need to follow when it comes to actually following up with these groups. Okay, I've already shared that in this video. I'm going to skip all that because then the video is going to just get too long. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to actually post in these groups and create a similar post just like this. So let's just look at this post first. Okay, I can teach you how you can be making 100k to 200k as an affiliate. Free guide, comment interested below. This is exactly what we are going to do. Okay, we are going to create a similar post just like this to promote this instant money maker product, okay, related to this product. And we're going to say, if you're interested, comment below. And check this out, 59 comments 14 hours ago. 59 people have commented this, and 8 people have shared this. Okay, now 59 people have shown interest, which means he is going to reach out to all these people directly through messaging service, and he's going to actually, whatever he's promoting, if it's his own product, course or system, or as an affiliate if he's promoting a product, he's just going to come here and he's going to actually go out there, okay, and promote something. And this is very, very highly targeted quality traffic, and it's free traffic. Okay, not spending a single dime. Okay, but bear in mind that watch one of my previous videos, because in that video I have spoken about the rule of thumb that you need to follow when it comes to joining these groups and posting. Because if you don't follow those rules, the algorithm of Facebook is going to think it's a robot. So you have to be very, very careful. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to post just like this. So let's get into this in one of the groups. So let's just go to the similar group. As you can see, it's only 24,000 members, but you can post here. So I'm going to show you, first of all, if you want to create some similar posts and you want to learn how to get those high converting people engaging with your post to leave a comment so you can send them direct messages, I highly recommend you utilize ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT, hey, I am creating a post. Here's the product. This is what the product is all about. Can you give me some similar posts, 30 word, 15 words to 30 word posts, 30 word posts that I can use on Facebook groups for free? And ChatGPT is going to lay out all for you absolutely free of charge, and you can then just copy and paste that. Okay. The other way to do it is using a free tool called Canva. So if you come to Canva, you can use this free tool and you can create similar posts and as an image, as a banner, and then just upload it to Facebook. Okay, so if I just come here and click on this, you could see here that it's giving me an option of photo and video. So I could just come here, upload that image banner, and there you go. That is going to be posted into this affiliate marketing group. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to create a similar post just like this. So let me just click on here, and then I'm going to choose one of the banners that they already have. So let me just go through this one, and I'm going to show you. Start earning unlimited $100 with free Instagram plus get reseller license. Okay, plus start earning unlimited $100 with free Instagram plus get reseller license. Okay, and now let me just go down. Comment interested below. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Start earning unlimited $100 with free Instagram plus get reseller license. Comment interested. Comment. Okay, comment info. Let's just put info. Okay, info below to get access now. All right, there you go. This is the post that you're going to do something just similar like this. I'm just giving you an example, okay, but you can post something just like this. Okay, and when you post something like this, people are going to leave a comment. Now remember, every group does not function the same way. Some group you're going to get so many people interacting with your post. Some groups, some people are going to say, oh, this doesn't work. Some groups you're not going to get a single response. It depends on the group, and it depends on what you are posting. Okay, so you have to keep on testing different angles, different groups, different text versions. Okay, with some groups I got 0 results. With some groups I got huge amounts of like people commenting on my post, showing interest, and I had and some groups I got very small result, but they were so high converting people who were like commenting on my post that when I reached out to them through the messaging service, I made sales. Okay, so it all depends on the groups, and it all depends on your post. So I'm just giving you a quick example on how this all works and how you can do it. There's no more excuse that you can say that, okay, I don't know how to do this. I'm just showing you exactly how to do it. Just bear in mind that don't get too crazy doing like 20 posts a day. All right, we're joining 20 groups in a single day, because then the algorithm is going to think this is a robot, and when they start thinking it's a robot, then that's it. Your account is going to get limited, and you can perhaps get suspended as well. So stay on the safe side. All right, so if you loved my video, I hope you appreciate my video. I hope you love this video. Stay tuned. I will be coming up with more videos on paid traffic sources and also free traffic sources.